I've been a little MIA as I've had this respiratory issue. So it's hard for me to talk and breathe. So I am back and I am doing a base Boxycharm. So of course, when it comes to Boxycharm, I'm a cheater. I look at everybody's Boxycharm because there's a, sorry, there's so many different varieties that I usually never get somebody else's. I'm trying to get comfortable. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I so appreciate it. If you're not subscribed and you like the content and you like my video, please subscribe. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. You know how much I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So I actually peeked into the box, and let me tell you why. I was watching Rolle Reviews Aisha's channel, and she opened up her box, and she was so bummed because I guess the boxes come with either brushes or these sponges, and she was so disappointed. I thought she was gonna cry. And then she kept going on, and there was some foundation in there, and I thought, oh, how exciting that there's foundation. And of course the chances of the color match for my pale skin are slim, and I'm like, you know what, let me stop her video and just peek into my box and see what I got. Well, I was so excited because I got the brushes and I can send them to her. I have so many brushes, so if I could make somebody else's day, I'm gonna do it. And then I got the foundation, and I'm like, oh, it's really a pretty good color match to my skin, so I'm so excited. So I put the box away, I finished watching her video, and I was so excited to Instagram her and tell her, guess what, I got the brushes and they're yours. And she was just so appreciative. She's just such a nice, sweet person. She's just more than doing boxes. She's just like, she's just so sweet. I'm gonna leave her link below so you can check her out. She's just such a sweetheart. So anyway, I am going to open the box. I really just checked for those two items, so I can't remember what else is in the box. So I butchered opening the box, as I do with most of my boxes. And again, I will leave a link above because I already opened the premium box, and I think their premium box is just so great. And from me cheating and watching everybody's boxes, I don't think there is a cart in here with what's in here or the prices. I don't know why they did that, but they did. So I do know they stuck these refreshing cleansing hemp wipes in here. Like me, nobody could figure out why they would stick like a couple dollar item in here, but I use them, so this is one product I know that I will use up, so that is a good thing. So we did get these, and these are the brushes. I'm not even gonna open them or test them out because I am gonna send them off to Aisha. But they do look like really nice brushes, so I know why she was disappointed that she got the sponges and not these great brushes. So with me being kind of sick, I haven't been able to film, so Aisha, I'm sorry. I'm gonna put them in the mail. And then we got this Ciate Everything Vacay. And of course, Vacay is like at the top of my vocabulary. And it is a setting powder. Now, I never let you know that I got that, I think it was the Becca, the powder that, like, when you put it on your skin, it cools, and after probably about a couple, 2-3 weeks of using it, it doesn't cool anymore. So I don't know if it's because I didn't close it properly or that's just what happens, but let me know if that happened to you. But I love that powder when it did the cooling thing. I still use it, but it just doesn't do the cooling thing anymore. So this is, I guess, did it have the coconut or something? Yeah, coconut setting powder. So once I'm finished with that non-cooling powder, I will try this. And I know these are kind of pricey. So do I think the box is worth it? Absolutely. Do I think they should have put these in there? Maybe not so much. But these brushes, I'm sure, are worth a good buck too. And then we got the facial radiance pads. I do use these. I've gotten pads, the different brands, in all sorts of boxes, and I use them all the time. I actually just use it when I was trying to put on my makeup. I'm not very good at putting on makeup, and I get it all over. And it's not the makeup brand's fault. I think it's more the user's fault. And I use these two to kind of clean up everything. So I will get my use out of these. And I don't know what they retail for, but I'm sure, again, they're not a cheap product. And the last thing was the Becca foundation. And again, I got my paws into this one. And I know it's kind of hard to color match, but I'm like in an ivory tone, a light ivory tone. And as you can see, this is pretty light. And I did kind of swatch some. I should have used it when I put my makeup on, but I completely forgot. It's got a little yellow to it, and it's very thicker, so it would be like a full coverage, which is what I need at my age. So this is the color. As I said, I kind of put a lot on, and it is kind of thick, but I think once I do that and put the powder on, it'll work out. So that was everything in the base box. We got the Becca, and I'm sure this probably retails for about $30. Foundation isn't cheap these days. And then we got the pads and the Ciate powder. And this box is $25. And this is probably, I don't know, $5 or $7. And these beautiful brushes, and I'm sure they're not cheap. So did I think this box was well worth it? Absolutely. And leave in the comments below what box you got. I know I'm kind of late in unboxing this. And yeah, let me know what you think. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.